Menteri ketenat samjing tip ke soka jela ni ke Directorate of Information and Public Relation ke jela ba Lahkmen remboi long ba ni ketenat kalong kumba kadang yo Thiah lengai hakan ni ke juk start social media haka apa tarik unai lo ajal pesan uba Lahkmen walum ya ke official kan ni ketenat ban wat jing tip benia ya kurkom trekam jongka bat kumno ban sim ya ke senjam bat penklan ya kan ni ketenat samjing tip ke soka Awakran hadin kenyilang ubah Lahkmen loong ba dapai ya ke pi jong ke ni ke tenat kalong kumba ke met ke barang yo Thiah lengai hakan ni ke juk social media haka ba ka jingsam jing tip kalong ke ba state hadu kata kata ulang baka tenat DIPA kadai ke tenat ke badan kam ha jong ke soka ban penbenayar sya ki ba ya ki kam bakrau jong ke soka bat kiwe ki jing tip sya upai ba ha ka juk ke pola pen pau bau kwa ban pelong ikan ni ke tenat ke ba klan bat kabalal kam ha ban sam jing ia ki jing tip ki ba shisha sigi ba bat on sa sim on sa yatir bat ki opisa ban penwandur ba ia kan ni ketenan
Assumed office. So I called a meeting with the IPR so that to know about their functioning and what is to be done in the near future. So that's the only thing which I had the meeting today.
So any intervention which you're looking from your side in the department?
So my intervention is that if you look at the page of the IPR as of now, and you will see that it is like a dormant department. In this age of social media, in this age of fast information, then it is like a dormant department. So I want it to make a vibrant. You know, the IPR is the very important department which will propagate, which will inform the people of the policies of the government and what is intervention and what are the achievements of the government. So, but it seems that though information passed to journalists, but not in its own website or its own social media page. So that's why I told them that let us come back. We'll make this department a vibrant department where genuine information from for people they could get from the departments.